Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen corner. So today's recipe is how to make egg curry. So the ingredients which you need are boiled eggs, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, diced coconuts, coriander leaves, salt, oil, onions, garlic, jeera, red chilies, green chilies, curry leaves, tomatoes, ginger, water, and garam masala. So now I'm going to take a pan. I'll be adding oil. So I'll be adding turmeric. So this step is to just fry the eggs, boiled eggs. So now I'm going to add one by one. So I will fry them well, so until it turns to golden brown. So now this is fried. So I'll keep the pan aside. So now I'm going to take a jar. I'm adding coconuts, tomatoes, ginger, I'm going to take little of onions just to have a mixture, the curry consistency. So I'm going to take chilies. It's according to your spiciness. I'm going to add garlic to this. So now I'm going to make it into a thin paste. So I'll be adding water to this. So now I'll grind it once again and I'll keep it aside. So now I'm going to take a fresh pan. I'm going to add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Now I'll be adding mustard seeds into this, jeera, now I'll add onions, curry leaves and red chilies. So now I'll mix them well. I'll add little bit of salt so that the onions get cooked well. So now it has turned into light brown. So now I'll be adding the mixture which we had grinded. You can add little bit of water to this if it is becoming thick. So you can make this curry for your parathas, chapatis, even dosas, even you can have it with idlis. So it is a side dish. You can even eat it with rice. So now I have added turmeric powder and garam masala. So I'll allow it to mix well and boil. Let it to boil. So once you find them boiling, you can add the eggs into this. So just add one by one. So now we'll mix it well so that the egg also gets a very good nice coating of the curry. So now the last step is I'm going to add a little bit of salt. The last and final step is coriander. So you can leave it for some time to boil. So please make this recipe and taste it. You will really love it. So once you do the recipe, leave the comment below. And if you have any other request for the future videos, you can leave it in the comment. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.